Hello friends, I am Ms. Mishra, I am math teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, as you know, in the previous video I have already discussed about the linear equation related to the fraction, age, numbers and perimeter. But today I will discuss some many problems of linear equation related to the money, in which first of all question of linear equation related to the money is in a cinema hall. Question number 1 is in a cinema hall in a cinema hall 300 tickets were sold. 300 tickets were sold for a total of rupees 32,000. If the tickets were of two denominations, of rupees 80 and rupees 120, how many of each were sold? Dear students, given question in a cinema hall, 300 tickets were sold. Total number of tickets were sold equal 300. Total number of tickets were sold equal 300. Total quantity of 300 tickets were rupees 32,000. Total money of tickets equal rupees 32,000. If the tickets were of two denomination, tickets is of two types, rupees 80 and rupees 120. Then I will find how many of each were sold. Total number of tickets is 300. In 300 tickets, rupees 100 tickets and rupees 120 tickets. So let us suppose that rupees 80 tickets are AX and number of rupees 100 tickets equal 300 minus X, because total number of tickets is 300, but we have supposed that rupees 80 tickets, number of rupees 80 tickets is X, therefore number of rupees 20 tickets will be 300 minus AX. A total money for 300 tickets is 32,000. Therefore, first of all, I will make linear equation with the help of this statement. After this, I will solve the questions. So, according to the question, rupees 80 tickets, number of tickets of rupees 80 is X. Therefore, we write 80 into X plus and 300 minus X tickets of rupees 120. Therefore, 120 multiplied by 300 minus X. And total quantity of all these tickets is rupees 32,000. Therefore, this will be equal to the 32,000. This is the form of linear equation. So, I will solve by the help of linear equation method of transposition method. For this, I will multiply 80 into X and 120 by 300 minus X. Therefore, it will be 80X plus, when you multiply 120 by 300, we get 36,000. When you multiply 120 by 300, we get 36,000 minus 120X. We multiply 120 by X, we get 120X equal 32,000. Now, here is 80X and here is 120X. Therefore, we subtract 120X from 80X, we get minus 40X plus 36,000 equal 32,000. Now, I will transpose 36,000 from left hand side to right hand side. Then it will be minus 40X equal 32,000 minus 36,000. Then it will be minus 40X equal, when you subtract 36,000 from 32,000, we get minus 4,000. Here minus sign cancelled by this minus sign, therefore it will be 40X equal 4,000. Therefore, X equal 4,000 divided by 40. When you divide 4,000 by 40, we get, this 0 is cancelled by this 0 and this will be 100. Therefore, value of x equal 100. Therefore, rupees 80 takers will be 100. Now, therefore, number of rupees 80 takers equal x equal 100. Now, number of rupees 120 takers. Now, number of rupees 120 takers equal 300 minus x equal 300 minus 100 equal 200. Now, by this question it is clear that number of rupees 80 tickets will be 100 and number of rupees 120 tickets will be 200. This is all about solution of this equation. Now, next question related to the money is question number 2. Question number 2 is Alima has $76 coins, a mix of 50 paise, a mix of 50 paise and 25 paise. Find their numbers. Find their numbers. If the total money, C has is rupees 29. Here also you see that Alima has 76 coins, a mix of 50 paise and 25 paise. Find their numbers of total money. C has is rupees 29. Total number of coins is 76. Solution: total number of coins equals 76. Let 50 paise coins be x and 25 paise coins equal 76 minus x. So, the total rupees she has is rupees 29. Therefore, according to the question, 50 paise here. First of all, I will convert 50 paise coins 50 paise multiplied by x and 25 paise multiplied by 76 minus x. Therefore, 50 into x equal 25 plus 25, 76 minus x equal rupees 29 equal rupees equal 29 into 100%. Because why I will multiply 29 into 100? Because here is 50 paise and 25 paise, but here is rupees 29. Therefore, I will multiply 29 by 100 for converting the paise. So therefore, it will be 50x plus here when you multiply 25 by 76, what we get? 25 multiplied by 76, 6 5 are 30, 0, carry 3, 6 2 are 12, plus 3 15, 7 5 are 35, 5, carry 3, 7 2 are 14, 14 plus 3 17. Therefore it will be 0, 5 plus 5 10, 0, carry 1, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. It will be 1900. So 1900 minus 25x equal 2900. Now this is linear equation. So I will subtract 25x from 50x. We get 25x. Therefore 25x equal, now I will transpose plus 1900 from left hand side to right hand side, then it will be 2900 minus 1900. 25x equal to 2900 minus 1900. When you transpose, when you subtract 1900 from 2900, we get 1000. Therefore 25x equal 1000. Therefore x equal 1000 upon 25. Then now I will divide 1000 by 25. Then it will be 25 4 25, 25 4 100. Then it will be 40. Therefore I get value of x equal 40. Therefore 50 paise coins equal, therefore 50 paise coins equal x equal 40. Now 25 paise coins equal, now 25 paise coins equal 76 minus x equal 76 minus value of x, here value of x equal 40. Therefore 76 minus 40. Now when you subtract 40 from 76, we get 36. Therefore answer of this question will be 25 paise coins equal 40, and number of 50 paise coins equal 40, and number of 25 paise coins equal 36. Now after solving these questions, I hope that all these questions is clear to you, and you can do all these type of questions very easily. Be positive and do all these type of questions. Goodbye.